Welcome guys. So let's solve it is removing minimum and maximum from array. Okay, so you are given 0 indices array of distinct integers, and you first find a minimum and maximum with the indices, and you try to remove it. But your deletion can only start from the front or back, and retain a minimum number of deletion you would take to remove both the maximum. So for example, this guy, right, this 210 7 5 4 1 8. So this is the maximum and minimum, and then what's the minimum step to remove it, right? So the minimum step is 5 because we remove the first two and then remove the last 3. Okay, so we can only start from the beginning and or the front. Okay, and then in this case you should every start from beginning, right? So you get the 3 step, delete, delete, delete. For this one step. Okay, so this problem, I don't know why this is immediate. I think this is very trivial, right? So first, you define the length of numbers, and then you find a minimum and maximum indices. Okay, so if A greater than B, then I exchange AB. Okay, so my idea is that my idea is very simple, right? So you can draw a line. Let's say this is 0 and N, this is A and B. Okay, so so there are only 3 cases, right? The first case is that you start from this. You always delete from this. So you delete. Okay, so you will cause B plus 1 step. Okay. The second okay, so this is the first possibilities. Okay, the second possibility is that you go from this. Okay, then you will give you a minus A step, right? Because you okay, there are third possibilities is that you for A you go this, for B you go this, right? So it will give you A plus 1 plus N minus B. Okay, and there are 3 possible answer. So you just take the minimum. Okay, so your candy one is B plus 1. Your oh sorry. Yeah. So I use, let me see. 0 and yeah. So I use let me see. So yeah, N minus A and B plus 1 and A plus 1 plus N minus B. Right, so B plus 1, A plus N minus B plus 1 and N minus A. Then you take the minimum. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, it's a very, very simple solutions that you can do whatever you want. Okay, and I think this is linear, right? Because it goes through twice. There's a way to get the maximum and minimum separate simultaneously, but just go through one array, basically separate into 2. But I think this is still simple. Okay, so see you guys next videos.